In this video, I will like to introduce the next option under the draft, which is variable pull direction draft. Before that, let us once visit to the first type of draft and see the order of selections. So under the reference, we can see that we have to first select the draft surface, as I've always mentioned so far. And imagine I want to create a draft on this surface. I will select the surface, and if I want to add the next hinge, then I can select the surface, or I can select a line which I've already created. After which I have to select the pull direction. Say I want the pull direction to be on the top. So after selecting the pull direction, you can alter the angle. So the point of discussing about the main draft feature is to see the order of selections. The first one is the surface, after which we have to select the hinge and the pull direction. So the pull direction was selected in the last. Now let us go back and select the next type of draft, which is variable pull direction draft. Here, if I'm going to the references, you can see that I have to select the pull direction at first. So let me select the top surface as pull direction, and then I have to select the hinges. And the hinges can be again divided into number of sets, quite similar to the round and chamfer where we have seen different set options. And here I can select, for example, this edge. And after selecting this edge, this surface automatically gets highlighted, which can be drafted. So this is about the variable pull direction draft. It has different features. We will be discussing one by one. Now if I want to add another set on the other side, as I've already selected the pull direction to be the top surface, I can simply go to the new set and I can select the next hinge. And I can alter the angle with respect to the pull direction. So let us move forward and discuss our